check it out, y'all. Did this good old meatloaf on the grill, y'all. Ooh, it's ready, y'all. Check out the sides. Oh yeah, y'all. Made some black eyed pea with sausage, some bacon in it, y'all. Then I made some good old brisket on the grill. Check it out, y'all. I ain't playing no games. Better check it out. And then I get some good old corn with some bacon in it. Oh yeah, everything with bacon, baby. Oh yeah. Cooked outside. Cause I didn't want to be hot in the house, y'all. It's too hot to be cooking in the house. I got that grill working, y'all. Ooh, check it out. Playing no games, y'all. Please subscribe, y'all. And oh, hold on. Let me go in the house to show you what else I made. Oh yeah, good old buffalo wings. And I got some good old green beans. Oh yeah, it's going down. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that good old meatloaf, y'all. I ain't playing no game. Look at the sauce on it. God bless. Please subscribe. It's time to eat. Peace out.